Hey everyone! Recently online I saw something that peels apples. I was like, what? Do they make something that peels apples? I could not believe it. So I went online and I bought it. And today I received the package. So now let's unbox it and check it out. So this is the apple peeler. Okay, so now let's try peeling this apple. So we put it in stem first. Now spin it. Now the apple is completely peeled. So now we need to cut it. Whoa, this is so nice. It's so cleanly peeled. Now let's try it out. It's really nice. I'm so glad I bought this. This peeled apple tastes so good. I think I'm going to have them like this every single day. Have an apple a day. Just keep the peels away.